Kuki-jo singna Manipur thugaiduna makhoigi ikai khumnaba amadi hak fanghanduna irang asigi waroshin ama puraktriba fawba Kuki-jo gi mafam singda free moment yahalloi haina Committee on Tribal Unity CoTU na phongdorakle Kangpokpi district ki Faizang khulda leba cemetery da ngasi pangthokhiba kungani thoirak suba Remembrance Day ga Saruk Yakiba CoTU gi General Secretary Laminlun Singsit na phongdokhibada separate administration gi demand phongdriba fawba Kuki-jo singna potha bahaiba leiroi amadi kiduna changjaba tawroi aikhoi gi lam aikhoina Chalaigani haibaga loinana separate administration ki damag Kuki-jo sing mobilize tawgani protest tathagani amadi democratic oiba mawong amada hekta thengnagani haike Lamenlun Singsit na makha taraduna Kuki-jo singi apunbagi warep asigi mayokta kanagumba amatana masagi maranai gi khudung chanabagi damak lepakpa yaroi separate administration gi matangda Manipur gi governor na thamkiba wafam handokadabani amaromda Kuki-jo volunteer sing amata fawa punba yaroi karigumba thawong asi chatharaklabadi DC amasung SP na daita pugadabani legislator leiba union territory amagi mawongda separate administration fanghan bahaiba demand asina aroibani Demand asida yasinaba amadi khongfam handokpa leiroi haike
We shall not rest, we shall not falter, and we shall not surrender until separate administration is achieved. This is our destiny, and we will carve our own path toward it, no matter the cost. No free movement shall be permitted in the Kuki-jo land until a solution that respect our rights and aspiration is reached. Our land, our rules. Fight for separate administration will be relentless. We will mobilize, protest, and resist with every democratic means at our disposal. Nothing will deter us. The Manipur government must retract his statement against separate administration. His meeting with Arambai Chamber does not determine our fate. The Kuki-jo people will decide their own future. Number 6.